Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper-plated versus lead 22 LR ammunition. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular bullet types, helping you decide which is better for your shooting needs. Understanding their unique characteristics, such as barrel fouling and cost, is crucial for an optimal shooting experience. Let's dive into the specifics of each type. Copper-plated 22 LR bullets feature a thin layer of copper over a lead core. This plating significantly reduces lead fouling, which means less cleaning for your firearm and potentially more consistent accuracy over longer shooting sessions. The copper jacket also helps prevent deformation, making them a reliable option for various shooting applications, especially in semi-automatic actions where smooth feeding is important. Traditional lead 22 LR bullets are often the most economical choice, making them ideal for shooters who go through a lot of ammunition. While they can cause more lead fouling, regular cleaning easily mitigates this. Many shooters find that unplated lead bullets offer excellent accuracy, especially in firearms with specific barrel characteristics. They are a classic and dependable option for everyday range use. Ultimately, the best 22 LR ammunition depends on your priorities. If minimizing cleaning and ensuring reliable feeding in semi-autos are key, copper-plated might be your preference. For budget-conscious shooters or those prioritizing raw accuracy in certain firearms, lead bullets are an excellent choice. Experiment with both to discover what works best for you. Also, check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.